is the first video of this channel. I hope you will support me to reach destination. Keep your love and support. In a small village, at the foot of a big mountain, lived a young boy named Arjun. Arjun loved adventure and was determined. Arjun had a big dream, to climb the highest mountain in the range. No one in the village had ever done it, because it was too dangerous. The villagers thought climbing the mountain is impossible. The steep slopes, icy paths and unpredictable weather scared even the bravest of men. But Arjun was not afraid. He believed that with hard work and courage, he could achieve anything. Arjun knew the journey is not easy, so he began to prepare carefully. Every morning he trained his body by running and lifting heavy weights and climbing small hills. He learned how to survive in cold weather and how to walk on difficult paths. Arjun spent hours by studying maps and listening stories about the mountain from travelers. His family and friends admired his hard work, but they were worried. Why take such a big risk? His mother asked, "The mountain is dangerous. You might get hurt." Arjun replied with a smile, "I know it is difficult, but I believe I can do it. I have to try once." One morning, Arjun packed his bag with food, water, juices and warm clothes. He said goodbye to his family and friends. They wished them well. They said be safe and come back soon. Initially the climb was easy. Arjun walked through forests and lush valleys, but as he came closer to the mountain, the air became colder and the paths were becoming more dangerous. And now the real challenge is begin. The climb up the mountain was difficult. Arjun had to climb sharp rocks and cross snowy slopes. The cold wind made his hands numb, and the thin air made it hard for him to breathe. Now he felt tired and Arjun wanted to stop, but he reminded himself of his dream and kept going. One day, there was a sudden snowstorm. The wind was so strong, Arjun had to take shelter under rock. He wrapped himself in warm clothes and waited for the storm to pass. It was difficult, but Arjun stayed focused. Another day, Arjun slipped while crossing a narrow path. A moment he thought he might fall, but he quickly grabbed a rock and pulled himself up. His heart beating fast, but he was safe. This mistake taught Arjun to be more careful. He started walking slowly, checking every step. Before taking the next, Arjun thought every challenge is a lesson. After several days of climbing, Arjun was close to the top of mountain. His body was tired. Arjun was getting weak. His legs felt heavy, but he did not give up. Step by step he kept moving forward. After the hard work, Arjun reached top of mountain. At the top of the mountain, Arjun felt a mix of emotion, joy, pride, and relief. The view was breathtaking. He could see forests, rivers, and the sky stretching out endlessly. "I did it," he whispered to himself. "I reached the top." The descent from the summit was easy, but Arjun remained cautious. When he returned to the village, everyone cheered him on. When he shared his story with villagers, everyone listened to him with excitement. The villagers started saying, "Arjun, you have shown us that nothing is impossible. One just needs to try it," said an elder. "You have inspired us to believe in our dreams." Arjun's climb became a story of hope and courage. People from other villages would come to listen about his journey. Children dreamed of their own adventures, and adults felt encouraged to take on new challenges. The lesson: Arjun's story taught everyone an important lesson. Never give up on your dreams. With hard work, patience, and determination, you can achieve anything. Even the highest mountains can be climbed if you keep moving forward.